That just makes a mess. Jesus. out here?
Huh?
What do I see out here? Well, he's gonna have to be in the truck with us.
I didn't know you were ready.
I texted you.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Well, Joe, did you come and plow with us?
Is he gonna plow with us?
He doesn't really have a choice now.
I was gonna bring him back in after he ran around for a little bit.
I don't really know what to do with this chain. It's not really a good spot for it. What?
He's having so much fun.
Do those lights work? Whoa. I didn't know those lights worked. It's like perfect snowball snow. Oh, missed.
Watch it. Want it? No. He's trying to eat it. What the hell?
I missed them again. Man, I'm not very good at throwing.
They hurt.
I'm trying to pack it very lightly. How did I hit that one? Oh, of course. It's taking a poop right in the middle of the driveway.
Knocked the poop out of him. I'm scared I didn't close the door all the way.
Alright, put him up after he's done pooping. Yeah, leaf blower didn't work. I just made a mess of myself.
Do I have to put the gate closed? 'Cause I just put my boots on.
Nah. Alright. So you gotta turn the plow on, the headlights. Put in 4-wheel. Let's see. Oh yeah. Wait for her. See, everybody spends much money on fish sticks. I just never screwed this thing in and I just hold it right on my lap. Just like that. Control the whole thing. It's clean. Yeah, it's clean. Turn some heat on. I fixed my oil pressure switch on this thing. I'll just leave that down. Okay. Do you want to roll your window down when you get in?
For why?
So I can see who's here.
So much for a beautiful front yard. I can't wait until this doesn't have to be plowed in front of the house.
Yeah.
And then we can just have like a nice
beautiful white. This is gonna look shitty now when you look out the window, you know?
Yeah. Tell you what, if you're nervous about backing up, plowing's a good way to learn how to do it.
Oh, that's not bad enough. You don't think that's too much snow on the top of my Jeep?
No, it's like nothing. That's probably 15 pounds worth of snow. You can honestly probably stand on that roof and you'd be all right. All right, it's gonna be a little bit tricky to get in here. Let's see. I don't know, if only you had a plow for the Jeep. Is that a rock? No, it's fine. I'll have to go back and reshovel that shit. It's just weird the way I'm doing it now is because of where the truck was.
Yeah.
Can't really get a good pass in.
Yeah, it is a weird driveway to plow, I suppose.
Yeah, it's just got an awkward shape to it.
I'm excited for this to be yard.
Alright, now we can just...
I mean, this will become yard sooner than we think, right? Because
Yeah, once the garage doors are on. Yeah, once the garage doors are on the new garage, you don't have to use this garage anymore, really. Jeez, some big rocks.
there's all the snow going right
It's kind of rolling off the side a little bit because I have the plow angled this way. You can see it building up in front of the plow. It's just
Yeah.
such sticky snow. I usually like to push it off somewhere here. Run, little squirrel, run! Don't worry, I'll make it easier for you next time. It chose like the worst time to run across.
That's so pretty.
Should be a bump here. Yeah, there it is.
Where do you push it to the end of the driveway?
Right in that little spot in between the houses where it's overgrown.
Tyler doesn't mind.
He has no choice. I own that.
Oh. Oh, poor guy. Offered to do a pass for him.
Yeah.
Ask him.
You want me to do a quick pass for you?
Fuck this snow.
It's sticky.
I fucking hate snow. Working this shit, hate it. Dude, if you could do a pass, I would more than appreciate it.
All right, where do you want me to put it?
Just, if you could push it right to the right of the vehicle, to the end of the second car.
All right.
I don't give a fuck about the turnaround.
All right.
Poor guy's out there with a shovel. We just tried. What kind of assholes would we be if we didn't offer?
That'd be kind of funny, not gonna lie. Wow, this stuff's sticky. Just making sure nobody's coming out.
Is your class still down?
It is now.
Perfect.
All right.
This
I know.
I hate fucking snow.
I know, it's miserable.
How's the place out back?
Good. Building a garage right now.
The wife said you guys have been bringing shit. She assumed it was you guys.
Oh, yeah, I'm bringing so much shit back there.
It's good, man. Doing a whole separate building.
Yep. Yeah, it's 24 by 32. I've got
Hell yeah.
pretty much, it's all set. I just got to put the roof, the shingles on it. I got the plywood done yesterday.
You been doing it?
Yeah, I've done it.
For work?
I work at Pratt & Whitney.
Oh, nice. That's
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, I've done everything myself, so.
Then you know more about it too, you know?
Yeah, I mean, just the foundation alone, they wanted to charge me $18,000. Whereas it cost me $9 to do it
What did you
myself.
do?
I did everything.
Good for you.
I did all the site work. I did the foundation. I've done everything. She helped me set the trusses. We rented that little cherry picker.
Yeah, yeah.
Picked it right up.
Yeah.
She was running it the whole day by herself. Talking like 40 feet in the air with the truss below her. Yeah. Yeah, it was cool.
Dude, the most I do, I bring home a bucket, I'll clean my gutters, my trees down. I mean, I
Yeah.
don't fucking bolt that bullshit, you know?
Yeah.
But it's tough though.
Yeah.
Now this, there's like 2,000 out in the state, which is usually no big deal. Like 1,800 of it's in Hartford jurisdiction. That's mine. So my phone's here waiting for a fucking call. Well, whatever, pays the bills.
Yeah, exactly.
But talk about saving the back, man. I appreciate it big time.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I might be able to do another one. I might be able to just push it in front of your truck somewhere. I can look really quick if it makes it easier.
That's a turnaround right there. If you want to heep hoe right in front of the truck and
All
between
right.
those trees,
Yeah, I'll
that'd
just
be
do that.
awesome, and I'll shovel the rest of that
All right.
freaking bin.
Yeah, I'll just do that. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, watch your freaking guts.
I know. So I'm not gonna hit a tree on that side.
Just truck.
Yeah, I see it. It's crazy that just that one pass I did, people normally charge 20-30 bucks for just that.
Yeah. He's a nice neighbor though. I like him.
Yeah. Can I back straight up just to do one more little like cleaning pass?
Not too much room.
And I got a rock wall right behind me. I can clean the rest of that up. I would honk at them and say bye, but my horn doesn't work.
Well, don't you need to clean this up?
That backplate a little bit.
Maybe you had like a big pile there.
Wrong way. Just pull it all back.
Come with us.
Yeah. How's your way?
What'd you hit?
Nothing, just rocks.
Yeah.
Oh, plowing's loud. Alright, I think he's got the rest of it. I'm gonna clear that rock wall. Oh, cookies? Hell yeah.
For my wife.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
Of
Thank
course.
you.
You know how much I appreciate it, buddy.
Yeah.
Take my back. Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course. Alright, have a good one.
Yeah, you too, buddy. Enjoy the crap weather.
At least now I get to plow our driveway from the roadside.
Yeah.
I don't normally like doing it because if you push road onto, or if you push snow onto the road, I always feel like you'll get yelled at.
Yeah.
But now I can do a nice cleaning pass. Just lift it up as you hit the grass. Sure, look behind us. Nobody there. I do Tyler's too. Not Tyler, whatever Nate, whatever his name is.
There?
No,
Or,
no.
oh, across.
But he's not out right now, so.
I mean, that took you like 15 minutes. It was not a big deal.
Oh yeah. It's crazy. Plowing is such good money. I mean, the only time you lose money is when you're driving to somebody else's house.
Yeah.
I mean, that was a $50 job right there.
Yeah.
But if I was getting paid to do that, I would usually hop out of the truck and shovel it all too.
Right.
I'm just gonna do another pass this direction, and then I'm gonna come around and finish it the other way. Just try to widen the driveway slightly.
Mm-hmm.
This truck does pretty good
Yeah.
for having a 800-pound plow on.
I wonder what kind of cookies these are.
Looks like chocolate chip.
Yeah. They look good.
Yeah.
Can you do your wipers? It's hard to see. I got the nose boops working against me.
Yeah. Sorry, James, I'm not doing yours.
You already did hers.
Yeah. This part of our driveway is so crunchy. And all because the first year I lived here, the first plow guy that came,
Tore it all up.
the old neighbor came and he didn't have the little feet on it like I do. He just had a straight blade and it destroyed the driveway. It was such a nice driveway before. He's like, oh, I cleaned up the driveway for you.
Now, do you need the little feet because of the ruts in the driveway?
And the gravel. It just helps save your driveway from being torn to shit. Because right now, I don't touch the gravel at all, because you can see I have a nice like thin coat on the entire driveway. Whereas if I didn't have those little feet, I'd be plowing gravel the whole time.
Yeah.
I can't believe people pay $250 for a fish stick, which is the handheld version of this. I just sit this thing right on my lap and use it.
Yeah.
And it's probably more comfortable, really, because that other thing, you like literally just have to hold it and you're like here the whole time. And whereas this, I don't even have to hold it.
Right.
So I can use my shifter. Alright, I'll do the last pass there because I'm starting to get into grass. Just gonna take out this little bit here. I just gotta realign myself. A lot of people have those V plows. Those are kind of nice. I've never used, actually.
Yeah.
No, I've never used one because my old job, I wasn't allowed to use it. Because that was like a really nice fancy one, so they wouldn't ever let anyone else use it. Because my old boss was a douchebag. I mean, you can even see, even with those little feet on it, still tears up the driveway. So you can imagine what it'd be like without them.
Right.
Because I think I have them set like 1.5 inches high. Because our driveway has that wicked crown right in the center.
Yeah.
Just going back into the transformer, that one wouldn't be too good. Oh. One of my little feet came off.
Oh no.
It's sitting right
You want
there.
me to go grab it?
That's fine. I just wonder which side it is.
Maybe from all the bouncing.
Yeah, probably sheared that little pin right off of it. Just glad I didn't run it over. Yeah, it's sitting right there. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, that side's still on. Oh, well.
That's a bummer.
Yeah. Nice, the plow still works.
Something stinks. It smells like wet dog.
Yeah. That's probably why the driveway's getting a little bit more tore up than it should be.
Why?
Because that one's riding on the ground now. What the hell am I hitting? That's not in our way, right?
No.
Okay. I think it would be.
She can't complain. She doesn't hate people.
No. I mean, I don't do her driveway.
Well, this is technically her driveway as well.
Yeah. But last time they didn't need it. They just drove right through the snow. I mean, it's just a straight shot for them, so it's really not the worst idea. Yeah, you can hear how it's digging in quite a bit more. It's all right. So it must have just came off because I didn't see it on the way back. It's been off for a
The sun's out there helping him now.
Oh, good. It's been off for a little while, so you can see how it's got a darker spot in this corner here. Actually, no, those are just the feet. So it did just come off. It came off on the way back. Always smells like burning rubber when I plow. I can hit that rock, am I? Yeah. Yeah, as long as it's off the road. I don't remember that dog's name. Dragging that stupid chain too. Should I just do hers?
What if she doesn't want you to?
Fair point.
I mean, you want to call her quick?
Not really. Because if I call her, then I gotta do it for free. Like, I offered for him because it was just basically a pass.
Yeah, if we knew her better, maybe, but she might want it done like a specific way, and if we do it
Yeah.
wrong, then she'll complain.
Yeah.
Whereas, like, Tyler was out there.
Yeah, that's why I asked him, where do you want it? You
Yeah.
can tell me exactly where he wanted it.
Yeah.
Should I do another one on that right side? Probably.
Their poor yard, it looks so pretty. Can't wait for our new driveway. Looks like shit.
Yeah. I used to get charged $70 just for my half, just for this. And Nancy used to pay $100 to have the whole thing on her side done. Yeah. It's like plowing, you can make a ton of money doing it. Back to him, put the headlights off.
It's a good JoJo. He was too frolic.
All right, not terrible.
Looks like shit.